Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Now, next week, we will be in room 13, face to face, our final face to face class. So, teams, speakers, you have a chance to communicate face to face next week. The final face to face class, the final face to face presentation chance. And I am going to give you one more writing assignment. This one. My goal in this class is to give you a chance to improve your communication skills, all your communication skills. Now, I know this point is one of the truths that you have to be aware of. The virtual world is increasing. More and more jobs are increasing the use of online work. I'm recording this, and I will make a short video for your review. I will upload it to my YouTube channel and put a link in the note. Online communication skills are necessary for your careers. A modern career, modern work will be increasingly online. Now, online means virtual world. The virtual world, for now, 2D screen. Pretty screens, very high resolution, but still using cameras and microphones are necessary, but not natural to use. You, in your short lives, have grown up in the smartphone world. And you text and you chat naturally. But texting and chatting is not working in the virtual world. This is a skill, a communication skill. And you all can and will eventually learn how to do it. Now, the students that listen to me, that watch me, that copy what I do will get good jobs. More and more of your jobs will rely on the virtual world. Screen communication has natural limits. Number one, it's 2D. And for the foreseeable future, because of the cost and complexity, there's no 3D. Go to Yamada or to Big Camera, look at how they market and present 3D video. Not much. In fact, I noticed that I don't hunt for new TVs very often, but I do occasionally act as an advisor to my network of acquaintances when they ask what television should I buy? What type? What size? And I take them to Yamada or Big Camera, and we listen to the salespeople, and then I tell them my opinion. And I've noticed that the 3D corner gets smaller and smaller. So, no, you have to learn how to use your camera and your microphone and your gestures, your habits have to change. Ladies and gentlemen, you don't have very good situational awareness. You don't. Some of you do. Now, in some of the presentations, I watch you watching the presentations. I am host. My software, I'm using a desktop computer. You've seen my notebook computer. My notebook computer is a very, very good notebook computer. More than adequate. But a desktop computer is a level up. My satellite camera, my satellite microphone, I know you can hear me. I know you can see me. Why are you playing with your hair right now? I see 6 small videos at the top of my screen, and 3 people are playing with their hair. Situational awareness. Ladies and gentlemen, I see you. Your cameras are showing me what you are doing. Taishi, what are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? Hiroto, I'm watching you. I see you. Your camera is watching you. Situational awareness. Gentlemen, you're in a meeting, you're in a big business meeting, and you start adjusting your hair or your shirt. People's eyes watch movement. It's part of our survival mechanism. Movement on a screen draws our attention. In the virtual world, 50-50 give and take meetings, you are watched. Cameras don't get tired. This is what I'm trying to teach you. You don't recognize your habits. Need you anymore. In the modern world, there are no desks by the window. There is no unnecessary personnel. If you're not working, you're not working. So you have to learn about situational awareness. Your habits in a meeting, everybody can see everybody. I control this class. So you see what I see. But I see everything. I control what you see, but I monitor everything. And when you're in a business meeting, in the virtual world, everybody can see you all the time. It's not like face to face. Situational awareness, ladies and gentlemen. In the virtual world, everybody's watching everybody else. Yes, that can be very no privacy, but it is necessary. It is necessary. So you have to understand where you are, situation. You have to be aware your camera is watching you. Well, Larkin Sensei, I'll just turn my camera off. Try that. Try that. You know, now, what do I say in my class? No camera, no grade. No camera, no business. This is the most important skill you will develop in your university life. It's new. You have an advantage. You're young. I see you. Control. We have to, you, me, we all have to learn how to control our virtual picture, our virtual personal presentation. So we look professional. I know you can hear me. I know you can see me. I know you're watching. Room 13, next Wednesday afternoon, face to face. Speakers, be prepared to give face to face presentations. Bring your notebook computers. And I will let you go with one last thought. July and August are holiday months in the Western world. Now, many people in August will go to France because of the Olympics. But many people that usually go to France won't go to France because of the Olympics. Prices go up. So people will come to Japan because the yen dollar, Japan is really cheap right now. Also, COVID-19 always increases infection rate in the summertime. So be careful. And I will see you next Wednesday. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. Goodbye.